Mic check. No card. No card. That's where I left off. I need to find the card. That's where I left off. Rolling sound and slate. Alright, so I just needed to use that tool, slate. It's a very common tool used in mostly film. So I'm going to be syncing the audio to this Zoom microphone H1 with an SD card. I can plug in my lav mic into it and my headset so I can record my sound. I'm going to Velcro this to my pouch, and this will be my grip slash mic case holder for sound. So I need to hang this up and I need to put this down. This projector screen on the back wall here so that I can shoot against this wall. This presentation is not brought to you by Venom. Give ourselves some room here. Okay. I don't need to wear those earbuds are hot. Okay. Maybe I can leave this chair there. And then pull this there. Which means I would be putting, yeah. We could just start with this. This will work. Popped it up against the glass. Dude, we just need something to just put it there, right? We have a well-lit background. Hey, I like this back here. That works. This is a good city. I don't know about this light being in the way. Let's get that light out of here. Okay, that works. So backdrop. Yeah, and then we can put shit over here. We'll see how that works. Put stuff over here. I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, projector screen, backdrop. We'll see how it goes. And we're mic'd up, so we're almost at 10 minutes. I'm gonna chop this up. We'll see how it goes. Because to chop up, maybe I can cut it down to 3 minutes. We'll see what's up. Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment.